We are on the road. We packed up fairly early this morning. Right now it's 9:25. I was having some issues with my navigation and my CarPlay, and the Uconnect stuff in these Jeeps are, well, let's just say they're not the quality they should be. We'll leave it at that. Anyway, we are going to, well, right now we're going to try to get somewhere and get some gas. And we're headed to the Silverton area, and we are hoping to find free camping there where we can camp for the next few days. We have decided to change our plans a little bit. Originally, we was going to end our trip in the Buena Vista area. We have decided to not do that, and we are actually going to stay around the Silverton area, and I think we're going to run some more trails, and we're going to do it where we can keep the Hummer off the trails. We just don't want to push it. We think after the ones that we did, the Cinnamon Pass and Engineer Pass, we're just afraid she's just a little too old and got a few too many miles to be pushing her up those mountain passes. As much as she does love to climb, I don't want to tear her up. And she's getting close to 200,000 miles. We're just going to let her go ahead and be our chuck wagon, pack mule, whatever vehicle, and she's really good for that too. I don't know if I'll video a lot along the way. We're going to go through Pagosa Springs and Durango. We have to go down and around because 50 is closed at Gunnison, and I'm not sure why, but it won't even, I mean, it is closed, I guess, because it will not even let us map to that direction. I don't know if I'll video any between now and then. I will definitely catch you up when we find us a campsite. Okay, we made camp. We actually got the campground we wanted. Again, got lucky. This is a free campground. This is Kendall Campground, and it's about 2 miles north of Silverton, pretty much right off of Highway 550, which is AKA the $1 Million Highway. And what are you laughing at? Our ghetto contraption. So, you guys know, if you've been following us, and especially on this trip, that we had some serious leakage problems with our tent, and we went and got this tarp in Creede at the hardware store there, and we still ended up having a little bit of an issue because we couldn't get it quite staked down, tied down, whatever, the way it needed to really probably be done. So now we have it set up. It's basically a canopy over the top of our tent, which is what I kind of wanted to do in the first place. I do wish it had been a little wider from side to side, as wide as it is from front to back, or yeah, from one end to the other. It's okay. I think we may have got it this time. We are actually tied off 2 trees, and before you drop a comment below and yell at us about tying off to trees, there was no restrictions that I saw that said we could not tie off to a tree. We aren't tying with anything damaging. None of the hooks are in the trees. It's just the ropes that are going around, and they're really not that tight. That's why you can see some fluctuation in our tarp, which we do hope hold. We're hoping, being stuck here in this little section of trees, that a lot of the wind will be blocked. We've got the Hummer blocking this side, and when we're back from wherever we go, the Jeep will be sitting on that side. I'll kind of step out here and sort of just give you a little bit of a glimpse of the amazing view of this campground. Totally free. There is a vault toilet over there. Do not believe there's any dumpsters. So there's our little space. We're in a little hole here in between some trees, which this should help block some of the dust, hopefully. And then over there on the other side of those big rocks on the back side of those larger travel trailers is a creek. I think it's Mineral Creek. Yes, Josie said yes, it's Mineral Creek. We'll go down and check that out later. What we're actually going to do first is run into Silverton, and Jesse said that he found, what is it? It's a park in Silverton?
Yeah, Annie's, or it's like a ANEIS or something like that. Park has 4 public showers. It's like $5 for 10 minutes, or $5 for 5 minutes.
So it's $1 a minute.
Basically.
So it's pricey, but we're okay with that, I think, because we are getting a free campground and we don't have to set up the shower tent. And I really don't want to set up the shower tent. I really don't want to have to boil a whole bunch of water in order to take a shower. And it would probably be a cup, bath, sink, shower type thing, because I just remembered I didn't bring the shower bag.
Nice.
Oops. So we'll show you, if we get to stop and do these showers in Silverton, we will show those to you. Not while we are showering, but we will show you the showers. Well, I smell food. So this is Anisi Park, and I see public restroom. I'm looking for the showers. There's a change machine. Open 8 to 6. Oh yeah, it's open. That's the ladies. Let's go back here. Believe anyone's in here. Okay, so these must be the showers. Oh, yep. Well, not exactly clean showers, are they? This one's a little better. No place to set your stuff at all. Wow, okay. Okay, well, the machine outside in between the 2 doors for the men's and the women's, you put in $5, you get a token. Get 1 token, gives you 5 minutes. I gotta hurry because I have to wash my hair and everything, and so I'm doing 2 tokens for me. Got my shower. I did it in 5 minutes. That's right, 5 minutes. Unfortunately, Darby, has to wait for us. She's back there drinking her water. I don't know if we're gonna hang out in Silverton a little bit. We've been through here before, but we didn't stop. We just drove through. It's not extremely busy today. I kind of want to hit the shop across the road because it said that there was fudge and gifts and things, and I really want a sticker for the Hummer because we put stickers on the Hummer the places it's been. So I'd like to find a Colorado sticker for the Hummer. Yeah, I don't know. Jesse's in the shower now. I'm sure he'll take his full 5 minutes, and then I don't know what we're gonna do after that, but I'm sure I'll be back. So this cracks me up that their road is just dirt. Look at these cute little buildings. Look at that gorgeous view. Can you imagine living here? Oh, hey, look. Hamburgers. It's a dispensary. High noon hamburgers. Put in an order, take it to go.
Yeah, there you go.
We could. I want to go in this one. I'm hoping they have a sticker or something. And then wait, this is not even the main street. The main street's on the other side, right?
Yep.
No, I know it's 4 o'clock. I don't know that we're going to be able to really get anything. We did get a sticker. Yep, got a sticker for the Hummer. But the burger place is closed. It's not even 4 o'clock.
Ice cream place.
The ice cream place is closed.
No ice cream.
Oh my. So I'm just gonna, in case you've never seen Silverton on video or in person before, I'm just gonna kind of come up here. This is the main street. When you go back that way, all the way down, you hit 550 out there. So there's just gift shops and restaurants and pizza and brewery and barbecue, which of course would all fall into restaurants, antiques, pretty much you name it, it's here. Touristy. It's touristy.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, that's what it is. Gosh dang it, it's starting to rain. I am so tired of this rain. So I think we're gonna go up, maybe grab me a couple of pictures, and then I think we're gonna head back to camp and probably just fix something there to eat if we can not be in the rain for a little bit. Maybe we can get under that ghetto tarp of ours and cook up some yummy food. I'm getting hungry. A pizza would have been okay. Yeah, paninis, award-winning paninis. Yeah, wood-fired pizza. That might have been good. Saw this sign at the edge of the road as we were, well, actually saw it as we were coming through Silverton to go to the campground, and then I saw it again as we come back from the campground going into Silverton. So it says it's Christ of the Mines, M-I-N-E-S, Mines, and it says it's a scenic drive, half mile or is it 2 miles? 2 miles, okay. So I don't know, we decided to just wing it and go up here and see. Being spontaneous. I don't see anything real. Well, I mean, you can see the mountains back there. People live up here, evidently. Wow. There's Silverton down there. We're pretty high up from where we was. That was a pretty quick climb. What's up with all the buckets? That's odd.
I would imagine they planted something or...
Oh, maybe. There's Silverton down there. And then here is Christ of the Mines. And it does look like you can walk up there. I am not going to. But isn't that neat? So that overlooks the town. You ready for Mommy to cook up some hamburger? Well, you can come over to me. We can see you on the video. You ready for hamburger? Mama keeps promising you hamburger, doesn't she? So I've got some hash brown thingies soaking up here. I've got some burger crumbles. I'm gonna fry that all up, and that's what I'm gonna season it, and we're gonna have that for dinner. And I think because here so far we have not encountered mosquitoes, which is amazing. The mosquitoes were killing me at the other place. So I think we might actually get out and set the chairs out later. Maybe just sit and chill at our awesome campsite. What do we got going on here, babe?
Oh, we are the Clampets.
I'll just walk out here in the rain. I was trying to start dinner here, you know, like I said I was doing, and it started raining, of course, again. And so we fixed up a little awning to go from, because, you know, I cook right back here at the end of the Hummer. There you go. We got yeah.
I'm just glad we're hid.
Yeah, we don't want anybody to see us. All the camouflage, they can't see us, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good?
Mm-hmm.
stopped raining, and then it started raining again. It's basically been raining since we hit Silverton. We walked on down past the campsites, but this is right, what? Not, how far did we walk anyway?
100 yards.
Maybe, yeah. This actually runs on the backside where I showed you that all those big RVs were parked. But we didn't want to walk between their camp and then go check out. Plus, honestly, it's prettier right there than it was up there because we could kind of see some of it. This is beautiful. I feel like I could just sit here all day. But I think there's some more storms coming. So we're not going to be able to sit here all day.
No motor vehicles down here, though.
Yeah, you can't drive down here because this would be an epic place to bring a rooftop tent and sleep for the night. We'll walk on up here a little bit. I'll let you see a little more of this. This old creek bed here. Just looking at the rocks. There's some pretty neat ones. We're down here without our bear spray. Oh no. Oh, I didn't bring any kind of protection. And we're down here by a creek. Geez, how stupid are we? We're tourists. We're the ones that are going to be on the news later. See how pretty it is though? I mean, it's just beautiful. This whole section back here is really pretty. Picture perfect, and I didn't bring my camera with me. It's back at camp. Oh well.